It's time to make a little break in our big tour in Europe with this new E-Tech T, the perfect occasion to meet Felix.
My position is called Energy Transition Specialist. More easily said, we are responsible for everything around the electric trucks. To take care about the customer, all the problems that he's facing in electromobility.
So, what are those problematics we can face with those electric trucks?
We are consulting the customer about what range has the truck, can you actually drive your route. We can calculate the distance, the temperature, the load of the truck, the air resistance, all of the stuff, so you are really secure that you can make your route. And we have also specialists who are only there for the fleet. It's called Operation and Efficiency Specialists. They look at the trucks from the people at the fleet. What is their consumption? How are they charging? How are the batteries aging? And giving advice to the customers.
So, anywhere in Europe, I can find help or advices on electric mobility.
I would say Renault Trucks has an advantage, a fast start on electric mobility. So now we are betting down on electric mobility, and we have a really big community of electromobility experts because we have that advantage when it comes to knowledge about electric trucks and how to take care of anything from charging till photovoltaics till how to operate the fleet.